What's good, YouTube? So that's basically what happened in the car in terms of what we got done. Like I said, we got a P51 intake where I will include some snippets in this video. Didn't really record one on installing it. Probably should have. I do got a fuel system cleaner coming for the car. Should be coming today. And NGK spark plugs, because we are due to replace them due to being on E85 for like more than 30,000 miles now almost. So those will be replaced as well. I'll be doing it. I'll do a video on it for those who don't know how to do it. I'm new to doing it too, so we'll go through that together. Show you video on, well, I'll include that probably all one video for the next one of putting in the fuel system cleaner to clean all the gunk out of my injectors, because E85 do that. So those of you who are running E, I would definitely get it. It's by Matt760 on uhpinnovation.com. I'll probably link that in the description. All you gotta do is buy it. And then he has a horsepower fuel additive or whatever, adds about 12 to 14 when you do a 5-to-1 mix. We're gonna be buying that next and taking it to the dyno after all this has been done, to see not only what this car is putting down, but what that does as well, to see if it works and how well it does. So that's going to be a fun video as well. That won't be in the dyno video will probably be a little later. Thinking about doing it either next week or the week after, so that'll be another video. But next video will be the spark plug install and fuel system cleaner. Pretty much just a maintenance video. This one was what we did to the car. Like I said, we got oil pump, gears, whole new timing system by MMR, new crank sprocket, phasers, tensioners, guides, you name it. All that's been redone. We still got the same cams that didn't get changed out, so we just have a beefed up timing system and oil pump gears, and it's pretty much all that I got done to the car, because VCT sensors went out first. I waited too long. I thought it would be okay. Once I replaced them, phasers went out and caused the car to stall while I was driving and idle bad and perform bad. I mean, the acceleration time was just terrible. Now is a whole nother ball game, but we're on street tires in the back, so I can't even hook. So that also kind of ruined it. I still have the slicks, of course, in my backyard. So when we go do races and stuff, we'll have those on. So I'll just on the daily setup. Also got skinnies, which I'll be showing you in this video, because that is a new mod that I got between then and now. This video is kind of spaced apart due to my busy lifestyle, but you know, it is Christmas time and stuff, so I'll show you guys that next. Nothing crazy, just skinnies. All we've done really is just P51 and skinnies in terms of mods, besides like the timing system and all that crap of what we did. So it's not too much, but it definitely helps the car in terms of weight reduction. P51 is better than PMAS in my opinion in terms of responsiveness on the throttle and IATs. So, you know, and Matt760 does have videos on how good it is versus PMAS, so I don't gotta explain that. He did all that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, not much really, but the next two videos are gonna be pretty good, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. We are back finally because we have more time to record. So man, it's gonna be fun this winter for sure. And then when race season comes back, it's gonna be fun too. A lot of car meets coming up. My little brother coming out from Florida, so we're gonna be taking him to a lot. I'll be filming all of that too. So we got a lot of fun stuff coming up. May even do just regular vlogs too. If you guys messing with that, let me know in the comments if you guys want to see that. But yeah, other than that, man, y'all stay tuned. It's gonna be some fire on the channel. So yep. So basically, we got the Michelin Power Sport 4S's on the Ferrado wheels in the backs, and then SVE skinny drag radials on M&H Race Masters in the front, and then that's pretty much it. Again, we got the RTR grill. We did the mid grill delete for more airflow, and it's pretty much all that's done to the car since pretty much last video. But like I said, we got a lot more coming, so y'all stay tuned.